Meat looks so soft. And onion. Hello everyone. Today's AYANA GOHAN. I will make Gyudon, Japanese beef rice bowl. It's very popular in Japan and I love it. It's simmered with onion and the mixture of soy sauce and sugar. And it's so simple way to cook. So let's try it. These are ingredients to make beef rice bowl. I prepare this one. It's very popular topping in Japan. Benishoga. So sliced of ginger, marinated in plum vinegar. It's one of the tsukemono, and I choose it's no food additives according to the package, so I choose it. Today I found the beef ribs, so I choose it, but you can choose pieces of slice of beef. And finally, I use onion, so half cut of onion. It's so simple ingredients and easy way to cook. So let's begin. I cut it 5 millimeters. So it's easy to weigh here. Next is beef. Sometimes beef is too long, so I cut in half. Okay, I put the oil and heat it up. So I add the onion. I stir-fried onion, so I add seasoning. First, dashi and sugar and sake, mirin, and finally soy sauce, and let it boil. When it comes to the oil, add the beef. Skim the scum. Turn the heat to low and cover. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. I check the state. It looks nice. So I want mix it. Oh. gyudon soup is necessary, so I addedではいただきます。 It's so delicious. Today I use beef ribs, so it's very soft and umami, much of umami, so I like it. I want to add the sauce because it's remained. I added. So Japanese love this sauce. It's good. When I eat, it's good combination of benishoga. So I recommend it. Almost all Japanese love it. If you like it, please try it. Thank you for watching my video. I always cook Japanese food and healthy food. So if you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.